popular drinks in America, and for good reason, because they are just delicious. Really refreshing, especially in the summer months. I got some nice fresh peaches, so we're making a peach margarita today. Gonna blend it up, really tasty. I'm gonna cut up these peaches. I have the skin peeled off. To do that, really easy. Put them in some boiling water, hit them with an ice bath, and the skin comes off nice and easy. So we're just gonna cut these up. Doesn't have to be perfect because they're all gonna be blended. Cut them in little chunks. And just toss them in this bowl here. And we're gonna make a little marinade for these peaches. Let them hang out for about 20 minutes. Really easy. We just got a 1/4 cup of triple sec, which is like an orange flavored liqueur. Okay, got all our peaches in. We're just gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of triple sec. And we just want to draw out the moisture, some of the juice from these peaches. Let them flavor up a bit. And these are going to be really good. Going to make this into a nice puree. And that's basically going to be the base for our drink. Get some plastic wrap over this. Let this hang out at least 20 minutes. All right, our peach mixture's been sitting for 20 minutes. All the juice has been extracted. It's looking good, absorbed that flavor. Now we're going to transfer it to our blender. Dump that right in. Get it all in there. Now we're going to take these, blend them up until they're nice and smooth. All right, that's looking good. Okay, our mixture is nice and smooth. Peachy. To our peach mixture, would be a margarita without some nice tequila. 6 ounces in there. Stir that up. And then we're going to add 2 cups of some nice peach nectar. You can put this into a pitcher, keep it refrigerated, whichever you're not using. If you have a group of people, multiple glasses with ice, this will fill about 8 glasses. So we'll just pour this over ice, like so. A little peach slice on top. Nice peach margarita right there. That looks really good. Take a sip of this. Not too sweet, perfect amount of tequila. A couple of these, we'll be doing all right, that's for sure. Looking for a delicious peach cocktail? Peach margarita is the way to go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our new videos every week. I'm gonna finish this right here. See you next time.